Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Stemx. It's pretty easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. On coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down and copy the wallet address. Once the contract address has been copied, scroll down once more so you can find where it's been exchanged. That's at the markets. And if you check a decentralized exchange where it's trading on is PancakeSwap. So simply minimize, open up your browser, whichever browser contains your Binance Smart Chain. That's this Binance Smart Chain, whatever browser contains this. If you do not have any BNB, that's Smart Chain BNB, click on the buy option and simply buy an amount that's suitable for your purchase. With that in mind, all we need to do now to buy the Stemx is click on the crypto tab at the top right, click on the plus icon where we have network, click on network and select BNB, paste the contract address, click on import, and the Stemx coin is on our wallet. Now we can proceed to buy it from PancakeSwap. Head to your browser, that's the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply scroll down till you find PancakeSwap, click on PancakeSwap. And once you're on PancakeSwap.finance, click on connect, click on Trust Wallet, connect once more, and click on the network icon and select BNB chain. Make sure you're on the BNB chain. Now your next step is in place of your cake, click on cake, paste the contract address we just copied. Click on import Stemx, I understand, import. Enter an amount of Stemx you wish to buy. Click on swap and set the slippage tolerance to 1% or 5.0. Click on swap, click on confirm swap, click on approve. Transaction submitted. And now if you were to close PancakeSwap, head back home, perform a reload, or simply search for the Stemx, you'd find it on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.